Performance Teamwork Flip-Top Nesting Table Assembly. Begin assembly by placing the top on its back, aligning the mechanism to the holes as shown. Using a Phillips No. 2 drill bit, insert the first 4 screws in the pre-drilled holes. Next, insert one of the long screws in the middle, pull up the mechanism, then insert the second long screw. To complete the mechanism assembly, insert the final 4 screws in the corner holes. The legs will now be attached. You can do this using the provided Allen key or a T40 drill bit. Align the legs with the holes in the mechanism, hand tighten the bolts, then tighten them further with the power drill. If you purchase the optional modesty panel, it can now be attached. Align the holes on the mechanism with the holes on the modesty panel. Using a Phillips No. 2 drill bit, drill the 6 screws securely into place. Finally, put on the levers. Ensure they click into place, then securely attach with 1 screw per lever. Your assembly is now complete.